Find or read reviews that people are talking about commowner 4000 psi pressure washer, 4 GPM, electric power washer, water pressure washer. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Gets the job done. This electric power washer is a beast, pushing out 4000 psi of water power and 4 gallons per minute, perfect for blasting away even the nastiest dirt. The commowner pump is built to last, gives you a break from constant maintenance. And hey, it's got your back with a solid 3-year warranty. All-in-one tips for every task. This professional high-pressure washer features an adjustable pressure nozzle and removable detergent tank. With 4-in-1 quick change-over nozzles to provide low to high pressure for washing a range of surfaces. No need to frequently replace nozzles for cleaning. The soap tank can be filled with your preferred detergent to boost cleaning power, plus, that thick foam hangs around longer, making your cleaning game stronger. Smart shutdown. It's got a brain. The electric pressure washer 4000 psi are equipped with a safety total stop system that automatically shuts things down when you're not spraying, saving energy and keeping your gear in good shape. With a 33 feet power cord featuring an inline GFCI, anti-leakage protection device, this commowner pressure washer can be safely used on all exterior outlets. Sucks it up. No water tap? No problem. This sucker can pull water from a container. Just plug in your garden hose, size 3/4 inch. Easy setup. You don't need a PhD in assembly, get this bad boy up and running in minutes. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.